Hello, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Touching. The song is Touching, the artist is Honey Baby, and the choreography is DEMERIA, SEGUAN. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, check out the choreographer, and also I'll post an instructional at the end of this video. And here we go.
While you listen to the bass drop.
Taking a few shots, making me feel hot, oh yeah. Step up, show me what you want, something about you got me in the trance, baby. It's not coming, whatever you wanna do. I can show you what thing I do. Baby, it's not your belong me. When you come around, make nobody speak. When you touching on me. When you touching on me. Baby, it's not your belong me. When you come around, make nobody speak. Touching on me. When you touching on me. Addicted, yeah, I'm tripping, yeah, you got me feeling different, yeah. When you with me, but now I gotta leave you here, baby. While I sip on it, you slipping it. You gotta take your time with it. The feelings lit, we only have one night, baby. One night, baby. Baby, yes, you know you don't belong to me. When you come around, make nobody speak. When you touching on me. When you touching on me. Baby, yes, you know you don't belong to me. When you come around, make nobody speak. Touching on me. When you touching on
And that's Touching. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.